Robert Collier said, and I quote, "Success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out."
As we gather today to celebrate the culmination of the academic year 2024-25, we reflect on unwavering commitment, creativity, collective efforts, and dedication of our Don Bosco Nehru community, which has fueled our success story.
Every small step taken has played a pivotal role in the remarkable journey of growth and achievement for each of our students.
In 2024, the Salesian family worldwide commemorated the 200th anniversary of the vision young John Bosco experienced in 1824 at the age of 9. The Rector Major, Reverend Father Angel Fernandez Artime, along with the Center of Unity for the Salesian family, chose to focus the 2024 Strenna on the dream at 9 years old.
The inaugural prayer service brought together the management, guests, students, and both teaching and non-teaching faculty members in a unified moment of reflection as they sought blessings for the academic year 2024-25. A ceremonial lamp was lit, accompanied by the chanting and readings from the sacred texts of various faiths. The Salesian priests offered their blessings, creating a deep sense of protection and well-being for all those present.
The Elysian Fest, a 2-day celebration of creative expression, stands as a hallmark event for Don Bosco Nehru. It embodies the institution's commitment to hone the latent talents of our students beyond academics, cultivating the love for art, culture, and literature.
Change is the only constant. This academic year, we bid farewell to the outgoing members of management who handed the baton to their new counterparts, wishing them all the best for their future endeavors. We express our heartfelt gratitude for their commitment, family spirit, and tireless contribution to the growth of our institution. Your legacy will continue to inspire us. We welcome the new management team, opening our hearts and doors to fresh ideas, perspectives, and leadership, continuing with the spirit of family and community building.
Our daily routines include regular sessions of bhajans, hymns, affirmations, the message for the day, morning talks, and the weekly news bulletins. We are also proud to announce the launch of our YouTube channel, DBN Insider, offering a seamless way to access and celebrate the achievements of our students with just the click of a button right at everyone's fingertips.
As we reflect on the past academic year, it is with immense pride that we celebrate the outstanding achievements of our students. Their dedication, hard work, and passion for learning have not only enriched their personal educational journeys but also contributed to a vibrant and stimulating academic environment within our school community.
Cory Booker said, and I quote, "Leadership is not a position or a title, it is action and example." The investiture ceremony entrusted the school and class council members with their duties and responsibilities. The newly appointed leaders took their oath, vowing to elevate Don Bosco Nehru to greater heights. They pledged to uphold and carry forward the vision, mission, and legacy of the esteemed institution.
We are proud of our students' contributions to collaborative projects, research initiatives, and community service programs, which reflect their ability to apply their knowledge in real-world contexts. Furthermore, their involvement in extracurricular activities like science fairs and academic olympiads has significantly honed their skills and expanded their perspectives. Additionally, their participation in extracurricular activities improve their academic abilities and help them develop essential life skills like teamwork, communication, and critical thinking. Through various events and competitions, they gained experience in collaboration, problem solving, and presenting ideas.
Integrating experiential, hands-on training with traditional classroom education offers a unique and invaluable advantage. In collaboration with the stellar Don Bosco Academy, our students were privileged to participate in workshops on filmmaking, drumming, calligraphy, acting, public speaking, baking, archery, photography, and many more. These experiences enhanced practical skills and fostered creativity, critical thinking, and real-world application of knowledge.
Sports runs deep in the veins of the Boscoites. Monsoon Madness, the exciting intra-school outdoor event, saw the rain god blessing the students, setting the stage for an exhilarating atmosphere of fun, thrill, and excitement. It was a vibrant celebration of energy and pure delight.
The Sports Day extravaganza at Don Bosco was a spectacular event that showcased the athletic talents and team spirit of the students. The day was filled with high energy and a sense of friendly competition as students participated in a variety of sporting activities ranging from track and field events to team sports. The day not only highlighted the importance of physical fitness but also emphasized the values of fellowship, discipline, and perseverance.
Our sporting champions have excelled at inter-school events by actively participating in zonal and district level competitions. Many of our students have earned accolades at the state, national, and international levels.
At Don Bosco Nerul, celebrations are woven into the very fabric of our lives. They symbolize the perfect blend of joy and accomplishment, fostering an environment of unity, excitement, and pride.
Furthermore, they had a joyful time at the Mom and Me event, dancing in sync with their mothers.
Our school community embraces a rich tapestry of celebrations with national occasions like Independence Day and Republic Day, as well as festivals such as Navratri and Diwali, being observed with the same enthusiasm and fervor as Christmas. This reflects the diverse and vibrant spirit that defines our school culture.
Throughout the year, the school organized research-based value education assembly programs on various topics including travel and tourism, Indian music, cinema, waste management, the evolution of cricket, and more.
The Career Guidance Assembly programs covered a broad spectrum of fields such as culinary science, e-commerce, event management, digital marketing, paramedics, cybersecurity, and others.
The year-long research-focused initiatives culminated in a career fair, where a panel of experts discussed opportunities ranging from higher education to employment. A wide array of local and global universities participated in the event, offering students valuable insights into different career paths. Students were encouraged to embrace new technologies, read extensively, and stay informed to navigate a rapidly changing job market where existing roles may become obsolete and new ones emerge.
In today's fast-paced world, emotional intelligence and effective emotional regulation are crucial for personal development and success. With this in mind, our school, in collaboration with Prafulta, the Center for Psychological Wellness, organized the Emotional Development and Career Guidance Program for students in grades 6 to 12. The program was designed to enhance emotional intelligence, stress management, and the ability to build strong relationships. It also addressed key issues such as puberty, screen time management, and fostering healthy relationships. For students in grades 9 to 12, the program guided them in exploring potential career paths and aligning their strengths with future opportunities. Specialized sessions were conducted for parents and teachers to support the holistic development of the students.
Picnic Day is undoubtedly the most highly anticipated event on every Boscoite's calendar. This year, students were taken to scenic locations surrounded by nature where they had the scope to explore organic farms and engage in exciting activities like archery, Burma bridge crossing, stream trailing, and ziplining.
They also gained valuable insights into the role of vermicomposting, water conservation practices, soil health management, and renewable energy sources in sustainable farming.
Continuous training helps teachers adapt to new technologies, teaching strategies, and educational trends.
Our teachers participated in a 2-day workshop by CBSC Center of Excellence Pune on critical and creative thinking, and a 4-day I CAN Foundation training by Riverside Learning Center, Ahmedabad. The workshop focused on strategies to increase student engagement, encourage critical thinking, and build reflective learning environments.
The blessing day for class 10 and 12 was a touching and emotional occasion, celebrating the students' journey from their early days in kindergarten to becoming well-rounded individuals who are ready to venture beyond the school walls and explore the world ahead.
It was a moment to reflect on their achievements, friendships, and the experiences that have shaped them. The school community wished them success and happiness, confident that they would carry forward the values that molded them. They were encouraged to return as alumni, sharing their insights of the world beyond school with those still on their journey.
From Don Bosco's dream that inspires us to dream, we journey forward to the Strena of 2025 of being anchored in hope. A hope that gives direction, strength, and purpose to our lives. As we embrace the challenges and opportunities of the present, we are called to ground our dreams in a hope that is resilient, active, and transformative.
Anchored in hope, we at Don Bosco Nerul will strive to become beacons of light, inspiring every person we meet to dream boldly, grow with purpose, and create a brighter future.
Don Bosco